Hello! Today we're going to destroy another washing machine. If you haven't watched our previous destruction videos, go and watch them. They're over here. So let's get right into it. So there's the result. Unfortunately the machine stopped, so let's try again. Let's take the weights out to make the machine less stable. Next, let's throw this angle grinder and some other. Let's see if it can handle this bigger brick. Well, it kinda killed our yard more than it did itself. And the water shield is now stuck there. Well, with the wire it's straight to a wall to stop it from turning itself off. So let's do that now. We wired the motor straight to a wall with the two largest wires coming out of it, so let's hope it works now. So now, after a bit of trying and pain, we managed to wire the motor correctly, and now the machine works without any safety features. So now it looks much better. Now let's throw this Samsung phone in there. Now let's have some destruction with these heavy bricks. it didn't actually get destroyed that much. The side is popping out a bit now, and the drum is stuck and has quite a bit of holes in it, but not that bad actually. Let's try again. Well, the belt snapped off and the machine itself is starting to be pretty destroyed. The drum snapped in half and all the springs are gone and the enclosure is pretty bent on every side. Well, the motor snapped off the plastic it was attached to, and the belt won't stay in place anymore. So, I guess that's it for this video. Well, the machine is now pretty totaled, but the motor is still fine and it came off by itself handily, so we'll save this and maybe try to DIY something out of it in the future. I don't know, we'll see about that. But anyways, hit that like button if you want us to get a new washing machine and subscribe so you won't miss that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.